adductor and abductor stretch. So inner thigh and outer thigh stretch. Using the monkey foot, lightweight to start. Keep that leg as straight as possible. Arms down to the side, trying to keep your shoulders flat to the floor as you drop the monkey foot out to the side, up toward your planted hand. If you need it to be easier, you can drop it lower, but shoot for getting closer up to the hand. So you could passively just relax here and let it stretch. Awesome. If you want to increase the stretch and also gain some strength and mobility in the inner thigh and the hip, you would work on holding it off the ground for a period of time, anywhere from 10 to 60 seconds, and then back up and cross over. Again, reaching toward the hand with that leg. You're going to get a stretch on the outside of the hip, a little bit of the IT band, the glute. You're also going to get a nice stretch through your thoracic spine if you're trying to keep this shoulder planted to the floor. Again, you can let it just passively relax to the floor or hold it. Get some nice strength and mobility in the outside of the hip, and you're gonna feel a much greater stretch as a result. If you need this to be easier, you could bend the knee and drop that knee out to the side, although this is significantly easier. And then the same thing the other way as well.